Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this wig from Yonis, a 24-inch straight wig, 180% density. Now I did bleach the knots on my unit off camera. I want to go in close and show you guys the hairline now. I believe this is a transparent lace. Sometimes I have issues with transparent, like they don't really look transparent because I do the hairspray method. Now if I did a glue install, maybe it would be more transparent. This wig had really deep, like a widow's peak kind of thing hairline, and I did not want my wig to look like that, so I did cut that piece off. So I kind of had to put that automatically close closer because I wanted to cover up my own like edges. Therefore, this part, which was naturally a little bit longer, came a bit more forward. But I really love how this wig came pre-plucked. They did an amazing job. Like, I really didn't have to do anything. And because I decided to wear it in a middle part, I just, you know, kind of plucked the part area just slightly, but I didn't do anything to it like on the sides. That is just the natural way that the wig came. Overall, I'm really happy with this wig. When I got it out of the box, it was very soft, and even when I washed the wig, it felt very soft as well. It did have a bit of a wave towards the end of the hair, but it is pretty straight, so it does dry mostly straight. Now, it says it's 180% density. I think for 180% density, I would want it to be even fuller. Now, pulling it to one side, this is how much hair you're getting. This is 180% density. I don't know, it's debatable. I would say it's more like 150 to maybe 160%. So maybe that's something that obviously the company can take as feedback and, you know, work towards in the future. So the packaging does say it's 24 inches. So yeah, it's definitely a really long 24 inch for sure. I would say it's more like a 26 inch. It's definitely hitting me. Let's see where. Yeah, so it's hitting at 27 inches, you guys. So if you're getting a 24 inch and you get 27 inches, I know you're not going to be mad at that. So that's what I have here for 24 inches. It is definitely really, really long. In fact, it's longer than 24 inches. So I love that. You know, that makes up for the thinness of what I expected 180% density to be. But overall, you guys, I'm impressed. It's really good hair, really beautiful, really soft, no smell, no tangling, no shedding. Definitely think you should check them out. I would say that this wig is definitely Caviar Kez approved. If you guys are wondering what, you know, the Caviar Kez approval means, it just means that I would recommend this to a friend or a family member or somebody like you. If you are, you know, particular about what hair to buy, I think it is really good quality. So guys, that's the end of this review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. It really does go a long way. And before you go, don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'm running out of breath. I'm talking so fast. My camera's about to die, so I'm trying to beat the camera from dying. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you in another video real soon. And of course, I'll leave all the information to Yonis Wigs in the description box for you guys. Gotta go. Bye.